Thank you, Walmart, for sponsoring today's video. Whole cinnamon sticks. Got these from my sister's house. Doing 2 apples, a couple of cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna just take the rind of the orange, toss it in there. Just adding a pinch of cloves. Let that get to a boil and then I'll lower it to simmer. In the meantime, I am going to scrub the bottom of the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and clear these trays. That's the great thing about this vintage oven. A lot of these pieces just slide right out. That one, I'll do this one. And there's this little one in the middle. Clean that while we're at it. I have a mental list of things to do around the house for when my home is already in a decent level of tidy and cleanliness, because honestly, the bottom of the oven is not something I would clean regularly. It's just not. But today, my house is looking pretty good, so I'm just doing some deeper cleaning. Got this from my sister's house. It's a heavy-duty scrubbing sponge. I think it's supposed to work on this kind of stuff, so I want to try it. Let's see if this does anything. It's a really good start. Whew. It is hard though, you have to scrub really hard. I'm bringing it down to a simmer now, and I'll just have this going throughout the day. I've done my hair, I've done my makeup, I still have my jewelry on. Very excited to be partnered with Walmart for today's video. It is gifting season. It's that time of year where you're buying gifts for your family, for your friends, for your coworkers, maybe even for yourself. I always tend to find things I want for myself this time of year. Oh, like this pajama set. I feel like this would make a great gift, honestly, for any woman in the family. Just checkered, silky, pretty, pink. Also comes in this brown taupe color. So I'm just going to show you some of the things that I picked out. I love going on the Walmart app and really searching through and seeing gems that I can find. So I've picked out my favorite things. And then I took it to the next level and got the pink furry slippers. Pink furry slippers are one of those gifts like everyone can use a pair of. Trying to break that habit of wearing my regular shoes in the house. So it's always good to have a pair by the front door and a pair by the back door. Next up on the list, the curls. Catch the Wave Deep Waver. This little baby, it gives you like mermaid waves. It's a great way to do your hair for like a holiday party, a holiday event. That's a good gift. I have 2 girls that I work out with at the gym, and I thought this is good because we're like workout accountability buddies. This little flips right open like that. Comes with the straw, so easy access. And then this is just kind of one of those things that you can always have with you in your car, in your gym bag. Pretty colors, it's functional, cute. When you're wearing cute workout gear, you're, I think, 100 times more likely to work out. Shell tank top. They're the Sofia Vergara line that Walmart carries. The leggings I got in navy blue just to mix it up a little bit. What I like about this is it has the sports bra built into it, so it already gives you some of that support. These two gifts I got for a party I'm going to. This is for my white elephant gift contribution. I feel like this will be fun at the party to use anyways, but whoever ends up with this, it's a wireless Bluetooth karaoke mic. I'm so tempted to just keep this for myself so I can do karaoke parties, just me and Samson here at home. You can record yourself. I duet mode if you have two of them. Also comes in black and rose gold. I got the microphone in this lilac color. And then I got this reverse coloring book. This one, you actually draw the lines around the art. It's pretty, very pretty. This is my third or fourth product from the beautiful line by Drew Barrymore. I have the air fryer, it's awesome. The microwave, it's incredible. The knife set. And now I have the 1 liter electric gooseneck kettle. This is actually a limited edition color. It's the thyme green. So gorgeous. I feel like everything I picked out, they're useful gifts that are beautiful. That's like the perfect combo to me, because you want to give something to someone that they're actually going to use and appreciate. I love shopping the app. You can filter things out. You can search by specific phrases. I searched Sherpa leopard and this is what came up. I'm adding this to my winter wardrobe. Very affordable. This looks like it could be a vintage piece. Just cozy leopardness, sitting by the fire, having a hot cider. Oh my gosh, I love this. I think it's really fun. Thanks to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Thanks to you guys for checking out my links. Everything's below the video. And let's continue. So most of you know I've been decluttering my sister's house over the last month and a half or so. There's definitely things I've come home with, and I promised I would show those of you who asked some of the things I've picked up from decluttering at her house. So this is my little haul. Got this lovely beaded bag. This was something I used to have actually. It's from our mom, one of our mom's trips. I got this lovely blanket from Anthropologie that my sister's had for a while. I think it was with her when she bought it, and it's in good condition. I had it laundered, and I don't know if it already had these tears, some minor tears like that. Yeah, see that? But I love it. I think it's so pretty and it's so soft. It's such good quality. I could probably have that fixed, but to me, it's not a big deal. This is something I'll probably put in the trunk of my car, so it's always good to have a blanket if you go to the beach or the park in LA. Got this adorable kettle. It was still in its box, never been used. And this is so pretty for fall harvest time. What else have I got? Oh, I got this stand for my water filter that I use. She had an extra one of these, so this has been very handy. Cinnamon sticks, which I used for my simmer pot today. I also got this little jar from her that I filled with castor oil. Use it on my eyebrows and all kinds of different things. But I got this cute little jar. We both are jar collectors. And then I got this giant leopard bag. It's always good to have these giant bags for decluttering to carry stuff down to the car. This stuff is filled with items I'm letting go of. I've already gone through this on another video, just random items I'm not using anymore. We're planning on doing a garage sale. We're supposed to do it this weekend, but the weather has been kind of strange. Like it might rain this weekend. So I'm gonna carry all of this down to my car. If it does end up raining this weekend, I'm just gonna go ahead and donate it because I don't have that much more stuff to declutter. I'll show you what else I'm letting go of. I'm slowly finding more and more things that I've been holding on to, thinking I'm gonna sell them, and I'm not gonna sell it. I will sell it for the garage sale. If we do the garage sale, I will do that because it's just a matter of taking it down to my car, which I have to do anyways, taking it to her house. We're really gonna do a big garage sale for a lot of the things that are still in the garage and other things that we found in the house. If it doesn't happen, I'm just gonna donate. Here's one of the things I've been holding on to that I keep saying I'm gonna sell, and I think it's been 5 years now. This is a vintage typewriter. See, now that I have it in my hands, I'm like, oh, I should really sell this. It's the taking the picture, making the listing, writing out the description, dealing with the back and forth, then the messages, figuring out how to send it to the person. It's all of that stuff. This is one of those things that I keep holding on to. It supposedly has value. Supposedly. I don't even know because I've never tried to list it for sale. But this is gonna go into the car also. This is going into the pile of things that I'm gonna try to sell at the garage sale. Okay, let me see what else I'm decluttering. I'll show you that. And then I wanna do a 10-minute tidy and just go through living room, bedroom really quickly, change my sheets. I feel like I've done a good job of using restraint with the items that I've taken from her home. These are all things that are very useful. Like I needed the stand for my Berkey. I will use this. Currently using this. Blanket, can always use a blanket. Tote bag, same thing. I feel like everything I got is actually useful. Okay, let's do our tidy, 10 minutes. And if there's a declutter pile at the end, that will also be going out the door on Saturday when I head down to her place. I think the next room that will be out will be junk room declutter, and that should be out probably by the weekend. If I can get that edited by the weekend, I'll have that out. That was a big one that took a couple days also. And they worked on it while I wasn't there too. So we're making progress, but it is definitely it's gonna take a while.
You've been gone just a little while, but it feels like forever. The time goes by slowly. Oh, I hate how much we fight these days, but all I can do while you're away is cry. I am ready. I'm ready to see my baby. Get back home, baby, pick me up, 'cause I need your body, I'm walking
There's always books to declutter. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books to donate to the little library. I'm finally gonna let go of this piece of art. I used to have a glass in front of it and the glass broke. This was a gift from a friend. And then this is stained. I just feel like it's not in really good condition. So I'm gonna let this go. I like to house my tripods in this tote bag here, but what happens after a while is I keep just dumping things into the bag without spot checking, and it just becomes a clutter basket. I have many tripods. I could probably declutter some of these. This one's actually not very good. This one's broken, so that's gonna go in the trash. I really don't use this anymore. This I'm gonna bring to the yard sale. This will be another item to let go of. So put it in there. I really regret buying this expensive tripod. I think it was $100 and something, and I never use it. It's so heavy. I think what I'll do is keep this, donate. This one's also really cheap. I'm gonna donate that one. See, like this is for the vacuum. That doesn't even belong in there. This keep. Trash. And these are for the camera. This is a keep. If I don't use this tripod in the next year, then I will sell it, or no, I'll donate it. I'll just donate it. I'm never gonna sell anything ever. Typewriter, piece of art, 2 tripods, a giant pot that used to be in the bedroom, a patio chair, patio table, 7 books going to the little library. I have a friend coming over tomorrow for lunch, and I'm gonna make them an unsuspecting victim. They won't know that I'm gonna ask them to carry this clutter down to the car with me. I'll buy lunch, but I need help. It's a lot. Because some of these pieces are heavy. Like this giant pot that I'm letting go of. And the patio desk is also big and clunky. And the typewriter is really heavy. So I need a helping hand. So that will just wait until tomorrow. I'm ready to just get this out. New Year coming, I want stuff out. All the stuff that I've been holding on to, all these like ideas that I might sell something or repurpose or fix. No, get it out. Wow, 4:20. So there's about, I feel like I'm just chasing daylight. There's maybe 40 minutes left until the sun goes down. And I've been working here on the couch. Now I'm feeling like I should get outside because I don't want to miss the last minutes of daylight. I should do something tonight just to kind of get out of the house and not be in front of the TV. Basically going from one screen to another screen to another screen. That's like the worst day. When I'm on my phone, on my laptop, and on my TV. And it happens more than I would like to admit. He's getting up. Yeah? You ready to eat your dinner? Is that what you want? Okay, baby, come on. Just turned off the simmer pot. It smells good. It's not too overpowering. I've made ones before that are really strong. I think this one maybe needed more water. More oranges for sure. I can smell it in the kitchen, but usually I've had it before where the whole house is enveloped in the fragrance. But it's good if you're sensitive to synthetic smells or even just fragrant candles. It can be a nice way to add some ambiance to your home. Ooh. Okay, it's Samson's turn for his dinner. We'll go for a walk and stuff. Look at him. He gets so impatient. He is the funniest dog in the world. He gets a fish oil, a turmeric supplement, and his anti-allergy medicine. Yeah, he's ready. Okay. That's the view from my bedroom window. Look at all those palm trees. Sun is going down. I have a pretty nice view from every single room in my apartment. I can see trees, all kinds of trees. But yeah, the one corner from my bedroom, there's lots of palm trees. And then obviously I have this window, which they really need to trim the trees because it's blocking all of the light into my bedroom. So it's just making it darker in here, which makes it harder to film actually. Okay, now that the sun is going down, I'm gonna take Samson for his walk. He's gonna finish his food. And look how the light hits the wall. It's very pretty, very romantic lighting. So we're gonna go outside. It's 6:45, I'm home, cozy, comfy, gonna watch a movie. And then in a couple hours, I'll take Samson out for his last potty break, and then I will be asleep. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.